Hey, I figured while I was in line at Smoothie King, I would tell you about today's video. I have taken on a little side hustle and I am now doing some home staging for homes that are for sale. And so today I'm going to show you a video of a home that I just staged. If you're new to my channel, thanks so much for stopping by. Would love it if you would subscribe. Don't forget to click the like button and leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Today I'm going to be staging this property that is going to be going up for sale. It's a little, I don't know if they call it a townhouse or a condo, but here's the entrance. I've got all my stuff brought in. Well, that's some of the stuff. But this is going to be like the little dining area. Here is a half bath. It's a little kitchen, but we'll make it look cute. And then here is the den area. Got a little more stuff in here. And the sellers left that piano, so anyway, this is the downstairs. There's an upstairs, which may be a little more challenging. It's like a little spiral staircase. And there's this shelf there. I can do something with it. And then there's a full bath here. Here is a bedroom, which I'm assuming would probably be, well, they're probably about the same size. So there's that. And this room. And then they both go into the bathroom. No, it's got its own bathroom. So this may be the master. Anyway, I'm breathing heavy because I just moved all the stuff in. So anyway, so I'm putting this bed together, and what we do is we put down boxes, and I'm covering the boxes with this kind of quilt. That way, once I put the air mattress on top, I will be able to, you won't be able to see the boxes. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm fixing to put the air mattress on top of this, and then I will put the bedding on top of the air mattress. I've finished, and this is what you see as you walk in the door. I put a little entry table here, welcoming them home. Then here's our dining space with a little wine area if they choose. Then here's the kitchen. I just added a few little things to the kitchen. Here's a little coffee space. And then here is a little baking area, or cooking area, cookbook area. This, I'm sure, is where a microwave can go, but I wanted it to look nice because it's unfinished back there. So anyway, and then we come into the den. There's a fireplace. And I have a little table there. This is a seating area. And like I said, the sellers left the piano. So anyway, this is the seating area. And then the rest of the way, I have one video and some pictures of upstairs. Couple of pictures, and then the little half bath downstairs. And here is the final product of the bedroom. Here are just a few little close-ups of some of the different parts of the stage. So let me know what you think in the comments below. And thanks so much for stopping by and kind of going along with me on this new little venture that I am going on. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.